Parade. Very quickly at the start, moving up Vanderl Impresivo. Bella Bandida comes next, Blue Collar Boy, while Oliver's Twist is the early trailer when going along for the first turn with Impresivo. Moving up on the outside is Black Parade. 2 lengths back in third comes Blue Collar Boys, then followed by Bella Bandida, while Oliver's Twist is still running at the tail of the field. Half-mile distance, they travel the lead now. Belongs to Blue Collar Boy by the length and a half. Down on the inside is Impresivo. Black Parade comes next, Bella Bandida, while Oliver's Twist is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, we have Blue Collar Boys maintaining a half-length lead. Impresivo is down on the inside. Black Parade comes next, moving upon the outside. Now is Oliver's Twist, while Bella Bandida now running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch with Impresivo by about 2 lengths. Blue Collar Boys in second, moving upon the outside is Oliver's Twist with about 100 meters up the race with Impresivo by about 2 lengths, followed by Blue Collar Boys, and finally it's Impresivo. Blue Collar Boy, Oliver's Twist, Black.
Sabihin ni Coach Leo, ang agang lubak niya.